Okay, let's get real for a second. AI just told me why my marketing sucks. And honestly, it was a little brutal. Here's what happened. I asked an AI to review my latest campaign. First thing it said, "You sound like every other marketer on the internet." Ouch. That stings, but it's true. My emails, generic, my ads, forgettable. AI even pointed out I was using buzzwords like synergy and disrupt. You know, the words everyone loves to ignore. But here's the wild part. The AI pulled up actual data. Ads with emotional stories get 2x more clicks than ones that just list features. Real people want to feel something, not just scroll past another wall of text, so I tried something risky. I told a story about failing spectacularly on my first product launch. I shared the embarrassing details, the late-night panic, and what I learned. Guess what? My engagement shot up. Suddenly people were replying, sharing, even thanking me for being real. The AI also caught me targeting way too broad. "You're not Amazon," it said. "Stop trying to talk to everyone." So I focused on one niche. Solopreneurs who hate pushy sales tactics. Instantly my message felt sharper and conversions climbed. Here's the kicker. AI isn't here to replace marketers. It's here to call us out, push us to be bold, and help us actually connect. So if you want your marketing to stop sucking, ask AI to roast you. Be brave enough to listen. And then, get real with your audience. Because the future of marketing isn't about being louder. It's about being